I took the Luv and it died. Oh! She wants some attention, okay? She ain't sharing with nobody. What's up, you guys? Welcome back for another video. So today we are driving the Luv. If you did not see in our last video, we finally got it running. So we're gonna take that back up to the heights and see if we can possibly get it in the storage unit. I don't know if there's
maybe.
Yeah, there's probably
we'll
not room, but we're going to try. And also we need to fix the diesel. If you have not seen one of our hunting videos where Kyler broke his truck, I'll link that up at the top as well.
So we're gonna replace the U-joint on the front drive shaft where it connects to the axle, and we're gonna drill out the yoke to where it accepts U-bolts instead of the strapper bolts. So it should be a little stronger.
So he can speak to you guys, but he can't speak to me. Sounds great. Okay, so yeah, we have to get that done. And then we also have a grinding noise coming when Kyler turns or like gets on it. I don't really know. It just kind of is there. We're not too sure what it is. He thinks that it has to do with this transfer case.
Maybe.
Yeah, and that he just has to put a new snap ring in. I don't know. So we're gonna see if we can get that sound on video for you guys, and we're gonna try to diagnose that problem. Because anytime we've looked under the truck and tried to figure out what it is, we couldn't figure it out anyways. Everything looked fine. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and try to get all of that done today. We only have a couple hours till it gets dark, so let's get on it. Fire up the Luv.
Hey.
Heads up, guys. It looks like the valve cover wasn't on very tight yesterday, and it leaked out. Like a lot of oil, so that's great.
Alright, watch that belt. Make sure it doesn't spin on that water pump.
Okay.
It's probably gonna.
Yeah. The belt's spinning.
But was the water pump spinning?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Look at that. It's spinning. Just fine. I don't know what you did, but okay.
The choke plate off of it, so it's gonna be horrible to start. Come on, baby. Still go.
Tyler tried to lean it out of it, went from 1200 RPM to 900, so I guess we'll stick with that for now.
Fired up. I took the Luv. I'm about to go
meet up with my friend Ashley and go up to the heights. Oh, it's snowing. That's lovely. And it died for no reason, and Kyler thinks it's something stuck in the car because one side of it's getting fuel and the other's not. So that's gonna be fun. So we gotta try to figure out how to fix that. Exactly sure what happened. I missed it, but the coil just completely smoked itself to death. So pretty sure that that's burnt out. So I don't know if we'll be starting it anytime soon. This video took a turn for the worse, that's for dang sure. Kyler's not very happy. Neither am I. Hey, Ashley's here. Hi. So, Kyler got the carburetor halfway unclogged, I guess. I don't really know. I'm kind of confused about the whole clogging thing. But since the coil did like completely burn up, Kyler's gonna make sure that the coil is bad. I mean, I'm pretty dang sure it is, but might as well give it a shot. I think he's gonna try to jump it. So this video is supposed to be, as you guys know, fixing the diesel, but it looks like the Luv is kind of a whore. She wants some attention, okay? She ain't sharing with nobody. She wants us to herself. So yeah, okay, let's go ahead and get it hooked up. Okay, so it didn't start. It didn't start, no surprise. So, oh, it smells burnt. It smells burnt. You actually left the switch on before me, so don't even. Well, that's what happened the first time.
And now you got to see it in live action.
Yeah, so like 6 months ago, we thought it was the coil, replaced the coil. Turns out it wasn't the coil, it was the distributor. Replaced the distributor, now the coil's bad.
But you might have fried the distributor.
Yeah, straight up, it could have done that too. So I guess the Luv is just like never gonna run.
23 episodes later.
Huh?
23 episodes later.
It's straight up. Well, yeah, it's been like 23 episodes since it ran. So he's got an extra coil. And what is that, the stock one?
Yeah, stock Luv coil.
Okay. So the reason that we have this other coil in there is because this Luv has burned through like multiple coils, hasn't it?
I'm a genius.
Okay, no answer. So yeah, I don't think that this coil really works very well, but I guess we'll find out. I guess, don't you spill my tools. I guess I need to give him more credit for actually hoarding stuff all the time, because I get mad about it.
Yeah, it's off.
Okay. It's all freaking burnt. You should just like be your filmer. Alright, there's the damage, guys, on that coil. Focus. It's all burnt. All burnt. So, yeah. Stock one's going in.
Hopefully it works.
Yeah.
Probably won't, knowing our luck.
I don't think it will. 'Cause there's a reason that we have an aftermarket one, you know? So yeah, let's go ahead and finish getting this in, and then we'll try to start her up again. Let's go ahead and start it. Oh, she sounds dead. Not dead, but almost dead, you know? Not enough power. Cables are on. Time to start her up. At least attempt to. what I was wondering.
What?
If it had something to do with that.
Crank it for me.
Okay. Oh, it smells like that burnt coil in the cab. Alright guys, it's quite a bit later. We went and got dinner and that was great. So we have decided we are going to tow the Luv to the Heights. It's a very long drive and we have to go up Zimmerman Trail, which is very steep. So we'll see how we're gonna do this. But yeah, we're going to finally get it to the Heights. We were hoping to drive it, but that didn't happen and we can't keep leaving it here. So we're gonna go do that. Wish us luck. So it has been a couple days now. As you saw, the Luv is not running. We're thinking about probably just getting another coil and we'll have to see if that is the problem. Hopefully it's not something like the new distributor. But we did tow it to the Heights, so it is up there. It is good, but it is not running. So we're gonna have to figure that out in another video. Sorry it's not running anymore. But if you liked this video, go ahead and give us a like, because we'd really appreciate it. And if you want to see more Luv content and see it get running again, and hopefully for good, make sure you subscribe to our channel and tap that little bell so you don't miss out. But that's going to be it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and have a good one.